Hello guys, by this video I am going to deal the cell organelle endoplasmic reticulum. Students, before endoplasmic reticulum we have revised the cell organelle, Golgi body and mitochondria, and the function of plasma membrane, osmosis, diffusion, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. We have discussed these topics and I hoping you have revised this topic in your book, and if you are facing any type of problem then must forward it to me. I should try to solve your problem. So let's start endoplasmic reticulum. First time endoplasmic reticulum seen by Garnier and called it ergastoplasm. First time it was seen by Garnier and said it ergastoplasm, and it was discovered by K.R. Porter. K.R. Porter discovered the endoplasmic reticulum, so he was the discoverer of endoplasmic reticulum, K.R. Porter. It forms skeletal of cell. Students, before to discuss more about the endoplasmic reticulum, I want to show you the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. So look, this is the animal cell and this is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is Golgi body. This is centrioles, cell membrane, mitochondria, lysosome, nucleus, and this is the endoplasmic reticulum. So look its location near the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum attached near to nucleus, so its location is near to nucleus, and some are rough in a structure. Look, near the nucleus on the endoplasmic reticulum some granules structure present, that is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and where ribosome not occurs, that's the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Again, near the nucleus on the endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes are present, called the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and where ribosome not occurs, called the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So now is it clear where is the location of endoplasmic reticulum? Okay, so let's see. K.R. Porter discovered the endoplasmic reticulum and formed the skeletal of cell. Why it formed the skeletal of cell? Because it is scattered in cytoplasm in many numbers, so it formed the skeletal of cell. It is system of membrane, endoplasmic reticulum. It is made up of membranes, so it is system of membranes, where it occurs in all eukaryotic plant and animal cell. In all eukaryotic plant and animal cell it is present, and exception where the endoplasmic reticulum not present are the mammalian RBC and prokaryotes. In RBC and in prokaryotes, endoplasmic reticulum is absent. What is the composition of endoplasmic reticulum? Lipid and protein. Lipid and protein is the composition of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so it was about the introduction of endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.